You've been arrested for a traffic offense, and this arrest has triggered an immigration hold. Now you're dealing with both a criminal issue and an immigration issue. But you're prepared. You've hired an expert criminal defense team to defend your case, and you're wondering what happens next. Well, I'm going to explain what happens after you're arrested and you've hired the best criminal defense team, and it starts with the pre-filing. So what's the timeline? First, you're arrested, but you haven't been charged with anything yet. When you're arrested, it doesn't mean that you've actually committed a crime or you're guilty. Being arrested by law enforcement means that they have probable cause that a crime was committed. That's a much lower standard. And the role of police is to arrest suspects. It's up to the prosecutor to review the evidence from the police, look at what happened, and say, hey, are we going to file charges? Can we actually prove this case in a court of law under the rules of evidence and criminal procedure? Now, before that happens, you have what's called a first appearance court date. A first appearance is your first hearing before the court, and it must occur within about 24 hours after an arrest. And during this hearing, you, the defendant, you're informed of the charges that are being alleged against you, and if there's probable cause for these charges. You're being informed of your Miranda rights, and if you're eligible for bond, and what conditions will surround your bond. After the first appearance, you enter what's called the pre-file phase. So pre-file is the period of time when a prosecutor will be reviewing your case, and they're deciding if they should file charges, file reduced charges, add additional criminal charges, or just drop the entire case completely. This part is very critical to the defense process, and it's where great criminal defense attorneys can make a huge difference. So your team can potentially get all charges dropped. And if they do, well, it can avoid the entire, next 6 to 12 to 18, 24 months of the case. Now, what happens if charges actually get filed against you? Well, now you're going to go into the full case, which we really call the pre-trial portion. So charges are formally against you. There are going to be the court proceedings, and you're going to be working with your attorney to navigate through this process, which is the discovery process, motion hearings, continual plea negotiations, and possibly preparing for trial. So let's dive in and talk in more detail about what the pre-file process is. Let's talk about why it's important and how can it make a huge difference in the outcome of your case. Okay, so you're arrested. The first appearance happened. Now we're in that pre-file phase. Okay, it's roughly 21 to 40 days. That's about how long it takes in Florida for the prosecutors to make their decision. It can last a little longer under special circumstances, but really all the prosecutor's office try to make these decisions. They have these internal clocks, 21 to 40 days. And during the pre-file, the state's deciding whether or not to file criminal charges against you. So the prosecutor is going to be reviewing evidence, police reports, body camera footage, talking with witnesses, and really trying to figure out, hey, can we prove this case? During this time, your defense attorney gets involved if you've hired one. And the work that we do during this phase, it's critical to your case. A lot of times we can negotiate with the prosecutor in order to prevent charges from being filed, reduce the charges that they want to file, or get the entire case dismissed. And this can be accomplished in a few ways. So one way is, we may submit evidence and gather evidence and argue why you shouldn't be charged. A lot of times we will send our private investigators out. We'll talk to witnesses that weren't questioned by the police, or we'll submit case law that says, hey, what our client did is actually not a crime. And this cop didn't really know or understand that what our client did might not have been great, but it's not an actual crime. And what we do is we request a no action or a no file. And that's basically requesting the prosecutors to decline the case and say, no, we're not filing charges. Okay. If that doesn't work, we can push for reduced charges or agreed diversion programs. A diversion program can be very good, and it's an alternative to trial or fighting the case. It basically allows a guaranteed dismissal if, number one, you are accepted into the diversion program. Number two, you complete the diversion program, which could be taking classes, counseling, community service. And if you do all those things, well then, number three, all charges are dropped and dismissed. And your defense attorney protects you from saying or doing anything that will hurt your case. So to summarize, after you've been arrested, you enter the pre-file phase. It's a very important time frame when your defense attorney works to have your charges reduced or dismissed completely. If charges are not filed, your case never goes to court. They're dismissed. You're free from criminal charges in this particular situation. You may have an arrest record, which may still need to be sealed or expunged depending on your facts and circumstances and your prior criminal history. Sealing or expunging removes the record from the public eye, but certain government agencies, like ICE, are still able to access the record. Now remember, even if the criminal charges are dismissed or not filed, the arrest alone can trigger an ICE hold. After the charges are dropped or after your trial ends, you still have an immigration issue to deal with. What you do to address your criminal case makes a huge impact on all immigration proceedings. So we want you to know your rights. We want you to stay safe. We want you to stay protected. The best thing you can do to avoid this huge crimmigration trap is to avoid activities that can lead to an arrest. Don't get caught driving without a valid driver's license. Don't participate in activities that can result in an arrest from the police. If you find yourself arrested, you have to stay calm. You have to know your rights, and you have to start immediately by finding the best criminal defense team to help protect your future.